How to remove songs from your Spotify history. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go ahead through the steps on how you can remove songs from Spotify history. Well, on Spotify, if you listen to a song, if you head into your on your profile, you'll find the recent tab where you'll be able to see your history. How you can remove them from here. Now, if you tap on three dots, you can see you want to find the option to remove it from your recent tab. Well, that's because Spotify doesn't allow you to remove your recently played songs from your history. Instead, you can see private session down below. I have enabled here. So you can enable private session. Head into your profile, head into settings and privacy. Head into the option here that says privacy and social and make sure to enable private session. Now it temporarily hides your listening activity from your followers. So what you can do is enable this, and what this does is once you enable this, your listening activity won't be saved to your history. So that way you can listen to songs on private without worrying about your history. So however, this will automatically end after 6 hours, so you'll have to enable it back again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.